Hi, my name is Catherine.
And I'm Angel.
We are from SK Lumba Kuda, Kuching, Sarawak.
Earth is truly wonderful with such a beautiful and natural environment. Plants especially allow us to breathe in fresh air.
However, every morning when we are at school, we can see cleaners sweeping away plenty of dead leaves which have fallen from trees. This keeps them so busy and sometimes they don't have time to complete other work.
This gave us an idea for a creative way to help get rid of dead leaves, which is to use this bucket that conveniently moves dead leaves into itself.
Firstly, we created a game using M-Block. Let me introduce the operation of this game.
To start the game, click on the green flag button. The player will see that the score and the timer is reset to 0. The end goal of the game is for the yellow Pac-Man icon to gobble up all the leaves on the game screen. As each leaf is gobbled up, the player earns a score of 3. When all the leaves have been eaten up by Pac-Man, the total score is displayed with the player's total time and a victory song. The screen on the right hand side shows our team's coding for our game. When the green flag is clicked by a player, here's what happens. The timer and the score are reset to 0. As soon as the player starts moving the Pac-Man icon, the timer will start increasing second by second. While the player is still active, the score is increased by 3 every time the player manages to gobble up a leaf. When the player manages to complete capturing all the leaves, the score and the total time are displayed and the victory song is played. Also, when the game restarts, Pac-Man is repositioned to X of -7 and Y of -146. These separate blocks of coding are for the movements of the Pac-Man icon. For example, here is the degree of movement when right arrow key is pressed. And when left arrow key is pressed, Pac-Man turns left by X degree of -5.
Here we have designed a countdown game. We press this button first, and after the green light comes on, we can start the game. Until 10 seconds later, the red light will come on, indicating that the game has ended.
First of all, in M-Block, we click on the green flag button. Now, let's take a look at this bucket in action. First, we turn on the button on the bucket. Then, we move the bucket which rotates and moves all the caps into the storage area. Next, we pour these caps into the carton.
At this point, we have to stop the game. Then, we look at how many caps we get, and the one with the most is the winner.
Next, let's experience with real leaves by using the rotating bucket to sweep up the dead leaves. We hope that next time, we will be able to produce a life-size automated prototype to be used in our school.
These collected dead leaves can also be made into organic fertilizers. Not only we can solve the problem of getting rid of dead leaves, but it is also environmentally friendly.
We hope that everyone is inspired by this game to make changes to achieve a wonderful Malaysia.
It is everyone's responsibility to protect the earth.